Stop spending hours rendering. Seriously. I used to export a view, set up materials, tweak lighting, and then wait. Sometimes overnight. But AI rendering tools are evolving fast. MyArchitectAI has just been upgraded. And today, I want to properly test it. With a real project, real facade details, and real interiors. Let's see if it can handle the complexity. In the first section, I'm generating 4 exterior visuals directly from the views exported from my 3D model. This project isn't simple. We've got layer facades, recessed glazing, material transitions, shadow gaps, forest surrounding, and landscape integration. These are exactly the elements where AI often struggles, especially with depth, reflections accuracy, and maintaining facade details. So, this will be a proper stress test. We are using the render engine and we are uploading our image. What's great about MyArchitectAI, you don't actually need to use any prompts. Prompts are purely optional. But we have quite a lot of white space on our view, so I would like the medium trees and the forest to be generated there and realistic sky. So let's put simple prompt like that. So we are aiming to get photorealistic image with forest in the background. Let's render and let's see the results. Wow, the first one is strong. The lighting feels natural, not overprocessed. Stone texture reads clearly and has depth. The glazing reflections look believable, not fake mirror effects. It genuinely feels like a professional render. Although the only weakness is that some background elements feel slightly generic if you zoom in closely. But at first glance, you wouldn't even notice. In all, very usable image. We've got our image, so I would like now to upscale that into the 4K. So with MyArchitectAI, it's really simple. Next to the download button at the bottom, there is the 4K button. Let's just press it, and boom, we have 4K upscaled and enhanced image. Now, see the before and after. Same 3D model, completely different emotion. Now we are uploading our image number 2. As before, let's choose the exterior. I'm happy to keep the same prompt here, so that will be to generate a forest around the building and the realistic sky. Let's press render, and let's see the results. This one might be actually better. Fantastic depth, the building feels really grounded. The shadow definition is soft but precise. Material contrast between the facade's elements works beautifully. It simplified a few small facade details, very minor, but what I love here the most is how the building sits in the environment. It's really strong result. So as before, let's quickly download that image in 4K. Now you see the before and after. It doesn't look pasted in, it feels placed. Now let's upload our image number 3. For this one, I'm using exactly same prompt, same settings, so let's generate. This one feels more atmospheric. Greenery integration is really convincing. The sky looks realistic, and you can subtly see the interior through the glazing, which makes it really occupied. All these small details really add life to our view. Now see the 3D model and our new visual. Overall, very presentation ready. Our exterior visual number 4, as you can see, it's really simple, same setting, same prompt, let's generate. Right, it added the sky where there shouldn't be any. Right, but I think it's my fault, because in the prompt I specified to provide the realistic sky, so it did that. So let's change the prompt and let's redo the image. Right, after correction it worked much better. The material joints look sharp, the reflections are controlled, not overly dramatic. The texture detail is crisp and clean. I like that. The only downside, obviously, sometimes AI misinterprets the open geometry, like it did here with the sky. But after corrections, we have a very strong result. This is straight from the 3D model, and this is what MyArchitectAI turned it into in 15 seconds. So overall for the exteriors, I really appreciate the realistic lighting, strong material interpretation, and good composition and depth. There were only minor, fine detail problems, but I'm really happy with all of them. Now we take 2 of the strongest exterior visuals and we push them further. Architecture isn't just geometry, it's atmosphere. Light defines perception, so I will turn one image into the nighttime version and another one into the sunset. This is where realism either holds together or completely breaks. And on that occasion, let me show you something. If you've left your visuals halfway through your work, realistically, we all do that. You can just pick up where you've left without losing any progress. And that's because MyArchitectAI automatically saves the progress for you, with all the steps, everything you've done. So we can just pick the exterior visual where we've left and we can continue with our workflow. Now I'm choosing the visual I will be transforming to the nighttime version. We are going to the edit section, and MyArchitectAI has really great editing toolkit. As you can see, you have access to the edit by prompt, change texture, remove object, add object and enhance area function. So for this one I will be using edit by prompt, because we would like the entire image to be changed to the nighttime. I'm describing in the prompt what I would like to achieve in very simple words, nothing elaborate, and let's see whether MyArchitectAI can handle this. That's impressive. Convincing interior glow, stronger reflections, dramatic contrast. However, darker context loses some of the detail, but in all, I'm really happy with this visual. So as always, let's upscale it to the 4K and let's download it. Now you are seeing the before and after. There is a huge difference that's really impressive. Now we are back in the history of our visuals. Let's choose another exterior, and now we'll go to the edit section as well. As before, I'm using edit by prompt to change our image to the sunrise. I'm simply describing what I would like to achieve in the prompt. And I forgot to mention, as always, all the prompts, I know they are simple, but they will be available in the pinned comment down below. Absolutely fantastic. Natural warm tones, realistic shadows, and the materials react correctly to the directional lighting. I'm really happy with that. Now you are seeing the before and after. The sky itself massively changes that image. Before we'll move to the interiors, if you are enjoying this video, please subscribe, comment and give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to grow. Now we move inside, and interiors are harder. They require accurate scale, believable artificial lighting and convincing material interaction. I'm generating 5 interior visuals from the 3D model views, and to 2 of them I'm introducing people. And this is where usually AI fails completely. So let's see how it will perform. So as before, we are uploading our image. Obviously this time I'm selecting the interior. I'm happy to go with no prompts on this one, and let's see the results. Wow, the first one is very good. The scale feels correct, the shadows look believable, and the interaction with furniture looks natural. However, some materials look artificial on this one. They are not as good as on the other visuals. But overall, nice start. I think this is acceptable. Now, let's compare the raw 3D model with the AI version. Here is our before and after. Now for the image number 2, we'll do our main space with the kitchen in the background. We are uploading the image, choosing the interior, but this time we have to add something to the prompt. We have just blue sky outside to the left of that image, but that really should be a forest there. So I'm putting that simply to the prompt. So let's see whether MyArchitectAI can handle this. That's amazing. Natural light direction is consistent, material textures, especially wood and fabric, look convincing. Depth of field effects look subtle but professional, and I'm really happy with that forest in the surrounding on this one. But like I said before, we'll be adding people to some of these visuals, so I will choose that one. So I'm going to the edit section, I'm choosing edit by prompt, I'm just adding to add people here to that image, and let's see the results. Wow! The lady feels naturally integrated into the space. Her scale relative to the furniture is accurate, which instantly makes the room feel believable. But what I really like here is how the lighting interacts with her. The soft shadow next to her and the subtle highlights on her clothing make her physically present, not just pasted in. Obviously, there is something wrong with her face, so let's do some plastic surgery. We are simply going to the enhance area function, I'm selecting her face and putting to the prompt improve face. I wish life could be as easy as that and I could fix mine. So let's see the results. Right, the results are absolutely fantastic, I'm happy with that. Here is the original export and now the transformed result. Very usable for presentations. As before, I'm uploading our image, choosing the interior, I'm not including any prompt, and let's generate. Oh, and I forgot to mention, there is a window in the kitchen with the stone outside visible there. I doubt that AI will interpret that correctly. But let's see. That's great. Soft indirect lighting works beautifully. Reflections in shiny materials feel realistic, and the color balance is calm and cohesive. That just feels warm and livable. But there's obviously a problem with that window I mentioned to you previously. But I understand, it's very difficult to interpret that as a window. Maybe even you could think this is just the stone in the backsplash if I wouldn't tell you there should be a window. So I don't really blame AI for that. This is the untouched 3D view, and now that's when you bring it to MyArchitectAI. Interior image number 4, this is another scene from the main space, but this time with more view outside. I'm uploading our image, obviously I have to include in our prompt to generate the forest in the view outside in the background, so let's see what MyArchitectAI can do. Right? The interior lighting reacts really well with the outside. Spatial depth feels convincing. It actually feels very professional. Now, see the before and after. Same interior, same camera, but completely different effect. Now it's time for our final interior. So again, I want some forest to be visible through the window next to the entrance door. So, let's see the results. This one is strong visually. Strong contrast between the materials. Very good artificial lighting balance, sharp detail on key surfaces. It feels like something you would see in a brochure. However, minor flaw, there is not much light coming from the windows on the left-hand side. But again, it's just very minor thing. So as before, this is the final visual, so let's add people to it. So this time, we are going to the add object function because I would like to achieve something very specific here. I'm describing in the prompt to add here an elegant lady with brown hair, blue dress, coming down the stairs. So this is just to keep the same vibe with our previous image. Okay, that's a good result. She adds a sense of life to the scene. Suddenly, this isn't just an interior render. It feels like someone actually lives here. Obviously, her position is not perfect. I wanted her to come down the stairs, not up the stairs, but I think it suits that image. It's a nice result. Also, her relaxed posture gives the space character. It creates a narrative rather than just a static architectural composition. But to be honest, I think she's slightly out of scale. I know she's already on the stairs, but I have an impression that she's too tall in this visual. But I think we'll keep it like that. Now you are seeing the before and after. The difference between the 3D model and the final visual is huge. So after generating all these visuals, what's the verdict? Let's summarize. If you want fast presentation-ready visuals, MyArchitectAI makes it ridiculously simple. You can export your 3D views, upload them and generate realistic images, change the atmosphere and adjust the time of the day, generate presentation-ready visuals in minutes, add people to bring scale and life into the space. All in one workflow, without complex rendering setups, endless material tweaking, or overnight exports. The major strengths are speed, lighting realism, strong material interpretation, and consistency between the interior scenes. The weaknesses are manageable. Occasional fine detailing inconsistencies or rare geometry misinterpretations. Nothing that breaks the image. So overall, this is a serious presentation workflow asset. So let's talk about the pricing now. You can try MyArchitectAI for free, which is great if you want to start testing that on your own projects. The paid plan is $29 a month, or you can choose a yearly option, effectively giving you a few months for free. What's amazing about MyArchitectAI, there is no credit system, you are just getting unlimited generations. Considering the time saved to the traditional rendering workflows, the value proposition absolutely makes sense. And also I have a discount code for you. Use ATA20 at the checkout to get 20% off. Another particularly interesting thing is the roadmap. The platform is evolving quickly, and based on their development direction, we can expect improvements in detail accuracy, consistency across the scenes, and hopefully animations soon. I genuinely believe tools like this will quickly become part of your daily workflow. Please like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments, because tools like that improve on the real user inputs. If you want to see how this can connect to generating 3D model from the images, watch my other video on the Viz Maker, where I generated 3D models directly from the images and adapted them to the real architectural context. It's right here, go watch it next. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.